know. We're just walking past taking photographs, you know, in a public space, as you're aware of, lads. You know, don't touch the fucking camera. Don't touch the camera. Do not touch the camera, mate. I don't know you. Where you go? Where you go? No, we're not. Hey, we're causing trouble, mate. You tried to grab my camera.
I'll just do that then.
Don't touch the camera. Don't touch it, mate. I'm asking you. Step back from me. Step back, mate. What about these folks? CJ Otta, sorry, Northern Ireland. Back at Belfast, man. You'll not believe us. We went to find a toilet and we've come back and it's all over. They think it's all over. It is now. So there was a bit of trouble, but we have missed it. The police helicopter was out there. Yeah, so we're just taking a walk around here to see if the protesters, demonstrators or that went anywhere else in the city, and we'll see if we can get across to cover it. Last these lovely people. Here folks, how you doing? Do you mind? Where did everybody go? Is everybody dispersed? Are they away anywhere else?
I don't know.
Up the where, mate?
Just staying around Botanics out Belfast.
Botanic and all. Thank you, cheers folks, thank you. So yeah folks, we might go up round there, a wee walk. So mate, we'll just get a wee walk around the city centre here in a minute. A lovely PSNI across there folks. I want to see this inspector anyway. This inspector I was talking to earlier. What's the jaywalking? Inspector, what about you, lad? How's things, mate? Can I ask you one question? Do you know why there was a face? Do you know why there was? I'm tired myself, mate. Do you know why there was a face covering law in tonight? Why was some of your men wearing face coverings?
Didn't even notice.
No.
Go ahead.
No, you noticed. Oh, you noticed. It's just a genuine question, like, you know, a genuine question. You didn't notice. I pulled a couple
COVID
of them.
mask, was it?
Oh, there's no such thing as COVID. But the blue medical mask. Yeah.
No, didn't notice.
There was
Maybe they're ill.
There were quite a few. Well, if they're ill, technically they shouldn't be on duty, as you would probably know, Inspector.
You may be right.
So one law for one and one for the other.
I didn't see any masks.
See about thing, I see nothing, hear no evil, speak no evil.
I wasn't looking at the police.
Well,
I was looking the other way.
Well, I was pulled straight away for my mask, which I took off.
I didn't even see you with a mask on.
Exactly, I pulled it straight off. Hey, I'm not here to cause bother. But do you know where they're heading to, the protesters?
Yeah, I wouldn't be talking about it, but
No, I know you can't talk about it, like, but you know, since you know me and all, like, you know, I thought you could slip me a wee note or something.
I'll leave you to it.
I'll be safe, man. Be safe, man. No bother with me, lad. Anyway, I'm not here. I'll go and get the lights there because the last time I crossed that road, I got nearly done for jaywalking.
All right.
Where's my lad? Where's my lad?
Yeah, folks. So the demonstrations broke up here. We'll pick this back up here, folks. So we'll maybe go and see what the crack is here in a minute or two. We've got a lovely police car coming down here in shot. There you go, folks. So from CJ Audits, from Belfast City Centre, all the best. Take it easy, and a force be with yees. How there, folks? What about these? What's happening? All good, mate, all good. Where'd all the protesters go, demonstrators go, lad? Come on, don't be telling me lies, man. I'm too out for this, how nonsense being and all that there.
I've got nothing in my ears, so I'm listening to nothing.
He's guarding this place then, yeah?
Not guarding us, we're actually about the place, so we're just taking a bit of a leg stretch.
Just a wee break, get the legs stretched. Any rest tonight?
Not for us.
Not for you, there were a couple in the town centre there, or city centre earlier.
Hopefully it stays for me.
Hopefully it stays quiet for you, anyway, you know.
Happy days, exactly, that's what, fingers crossed.
Yeah, take it easy on all night then, yeah.
Probably.
No, yeah, well.
What about you guys? What do you use?
Just out, mate, just enjoying the city, a wee bit of photography, you know how it goes, man, you know. Just walking about, mate, just get a bit of footage, covering stuff, you know.
Okay.
You know how it goes, mate, you know.
No, did you get anything that you were looking for?
Oh, we've got a lot of stuff, mate, tonight, so we've got a lot of good shots tonight, nice people on camera and stuff, you know. So they're like, oh, just hope we get a wee bit more stuff, you know how it goes. Or the guy there, look, it's done up like Robocop there, boy.
That's why I sit down the back of the line for a long time.
Oh, yeah, I'll not say the word, but you're sweating like a... Yeah. I see you've changed all your numbers to 5s instead of 2s now.
Oh. Well, it's mine 5.
Oh, yeah. Used to be the 2s, didn't you? She's only brought them out not that long ago. Even when you don't know, you put them on your shoulders, you had her.
It was either 1s, 1 O's or 2 5s, and
Yeah, it was.
I just put this on.
As I say, I came across a constable one day. He gave me his number,
Right.
but he had 2 numbers on. He had the new 5 number on, and he had a 2 number on.
Right.
So I asked him which one it was, and he told me he didn't know.
Right.
Bit crazy. How do you, sir? All good. Sergeant, what about you, lad? What's happening? Anything happening? You look warm in that, boy. He's moving. Lads, be safe tonight anyway.
Cheers, thanks, boy.
Don't be arresting too many people, lads. Remember the elements of disorderly behaviour before you put your hands on people. Lads, all the best, man. Honestly, stay safe, lads. May the force be with yous. Yeah, folks, Northern Ireland here. Yeah, just thought we'd pick that up there for a couple of wee minutes there with the technicals TSG here in Northern Ireland. Yeah, we've got a nice police car then. Wee smile, wee thumbs up there for the PSNI. So yeah, folks, we'll pick this back up. So if anything else happens here from CJ Auto, it's all in Northern Ireland. All the best, take it easy, and may the force be with yous. What about you folks? CJ Auto, it's all in Northern Ireland here. We'll just pick this back up again here. I'm still in Belfast here. Not going to get done for jaywalking, so we're not. How doing, lads? How's your posing there? What's happening here tonight? Don't mind me asking you.
just keeping an eye out for anyone causing trouble.
Right, Mabel.
Oh, of course.
Why not talk to us?
What's your TikTok account called?
I don't do TikTok, mate. I don't do TikTok.
Instagram?
No, mate, I don't do that either, mate. No, I don't do Facebook.
You don't have our permission to video us.
I've been making a public, mate. You don't need it. Alright, man. You don't like it?
Video me.
Yeah, get your hand over the camera, please. Hello, go ahead, Brendan. Go ahead, mate.
Follow Brendan.
No worries, no worries.
What's the mask for, brother?
What's your mask for?
Hi,
What's your mask for?
We're filming people.
Oh, yeah.
You want to take a wee selfie with us?
Go ahead, mate, go ahead.
Come on.
Go ahead, lad.
Come on here, what's down?
Go ahead, mate.
Up and down
Do what
there,
you want to do, lad. You're in a public place, you can take many pictures you want.
No worries.
Doesn't bother me. So what's your TikTok, Brendan?
That's
I don't
his
have a
boat.
TikTok. I've got an Instagram.
Instagram?
That's his boat.
Should I, mate? Give us a shout.
I've already done. Care.
Oh, thank you, man, thank you. Are you here all night?
As long as we need to be.
See? People
Yeah.
can be here all
That's
night.
right.
Hopefully, you just don't get any fucking shit, right? To be honest.
I know. We're just walking past taking photographs, you know, in a public space, as you're aware of, lads. Of
course.
You know, don't touch the fucking camera. Don't touch the camera.
Oh,
Do not touch the camera, mate.
we don't know you, so where you go?
I don't know you. Where you go?
Lads,
Where you go?
trouble here, man.
No, we're not. How are we causing trouble, mate? You tried to grab my camera.
I'll just do that then.
Don't touch the camera. Don't touch it, mate. I'm asking you. I'm asking you. Step back from me. Step back, mate. So, Brendan, take it easy, lad. Yes, mate. Here. The same as myself, man. Take it easy, lad. You know the crack, mate. I'm going to ask you one more time. Do not step in my way or I will remove you from my space, mate. What, mate? Do not stay away. Stay away. Stay away, mate. I'm telling you, stay away. Right? Or what? Come on in my space. Come on in my space. Please stop blocking the camera. Please stop talking to the camera. Or what? Walk away, mate, will you? Absolute clean. Walk away.
You're causing trouble, right?
Yeah, man, turn it on there. Cheers, mate. Cheers, man. All the best. Nice one, like. What, mate? So yeah, folks, we're gonna ask questions here. Why we're out.
Just walk on.
Does it look like my own business?
It is my business. You're antagonising people. Walk on. He's being asked to leave.
What, like? You serious, like? We're just walking past, taking pictures.
Standing there still, even though you've been asked to leave.
Not right, Brendan. Take it easy, like.
What's your name, man?
What?
What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Alpha male. Who's that? Alpha male. Who's that?
You're Alpha male, are you?
Yeah, mate, yes. Who are you?
One round the corner, let's see
Is
who's an Alpha
that a Freight of Finance lad, aye? Is that a Freight of Finance lad?
We have been planning this. People have put a lot of hard work into this. Not for it to be fucked up because people lose their temper. Walk away.
Anyway, folks, yeah, man. So we're just out walking about, seeing where the rest of the protesters went here. So yeah, folks. Well, fair play to these people that are right there doing what they're doing and doing it for their cause, like whatever that is. I do not know, but as I say, man, public place and all that.
Do yourself a favour.
You know. Are you away? Aye. Bye bye. Yeah. Yeah, folks. So I say that's the way it goes, folks, here in Belfast. Well, right outside this, can't even remember what it says there, something church or Crestmount Church. So it is, folks, Crestmount Church.
So worried about protecting your country, can you speak your fucking English?
Alright, well, you know all about that, don't you, like? Very good.
You take your mask off.
Turn your back, turn your back.
Take your shoes off. You take your shoes off, I'll take my mask off. What are you hanging on me, onions? Yeah, folks, yeah, so anyway, here, look, I'll pick this back up with you here, look, so from CJ Audits, Audit Northern Ireland, look, take it easy, all the best, and may the force be with yous. What about you, folks? Welcome back here, look, so Belfast, yes, Belfast is now clear, man, so it is. Protesters, everybody, demonstrators, whatever you want to call them, everybody's away home. We actually went to use a bathroom somewhere, so we did. When we come back, everybody was gone, folks. So yeah, but we're going to hang around Belfast here anyway, and round the spots to see if there's any trouble tonight, or hopefully the city will be quiet, and hopefully the surrounding areas will be quiet here. From the city centre here. So yeah, folks, everybody, thank you all for watching the live, all the subscribers, everybody that even comments, thank you very much, folks. It's really appreciated. From Belfast here, Northern Ireland, folks, all the best. Woohoo! All the best, take it easy, and as always, may the force be with yous.